Well, hello there, friends. I'm glad you're here. I got a great recipe for you today. We're gonna make mussels. You know, there's many recipes out there. Mussel Mariniere, mussel Mariniere, mussel Provençal. So you know what I do? Today, we're gonna make all those recipes into one. I'm adding a little Moroccan flavor to it also. You're gonna love it, I promise you. Remember, if you like the video, friends, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned, because we are cooking mussels together right now. Okay, friends, well, let me show you how to make my mussel recipe. It's a blend of Provençal, Mariniere, and we're gonna put a little bit of Moroccan spice in there. Oh, they're gonna be delicious. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna talk about the mussels in a minute, but basically what we're doing, we're giving them a bath, their last bath. So we're gonna make it as good as we can possibly make it. That's what we're gonna do. So I got a dish that allows me to put all of them. It's easier if you have a wide, shallow dish versus a big, tall. So if you have a choice, this is the perfect dish to do it. All right. I got about 3.5 pounds of mussels. We'll talk about the mussels in a minute, but let's get their bath ready to go, okay? So we're going to flavor it, and we're going to cook it in there. And this bath has to be very good, because what happened is their life, you know. And but if I was the mussel, I wanna have my last meal with a French chef, because I'm gonna give him a nice wine bath. So here's what we're gonna do. We got a beautiful garlic olive oil, and I got a shallot that is cut in small pieces, and we're gonna saute it. Now, if you don't have shallots, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. That's my New York accent. You like it? How you doing? That's pretty good, right? How you know? Don't worry about it. I entertain myself. What can I tell you, folks? This is my retirement. I'm having fun. I hope, in fact, we're glad you're here. Thank you for being here. You guys are great. Welcome to all the new subscribers. We love you guys. 10, 15,000 new subscribers every week is fantastic. So I got shallots. You don't have shallots? Put onion. It'll be perfectly fine. Okay, just slice it nice and small. Saute it a little bit more. Shallots are delicate. They don't require much cooking. We're going to put a little garlic. Matter of fact, quite a bit of garlic. A tablespoon of garlic. Here, put the whole thing. A good tablespoon of garlic. We want it to be fragrant. We don't want it to be too fragrant. We want to be fragrant enough. It'll be perfect. All right? And then what we're going to do here, friends, we are going to, the minute we smell the garlic, which is coming right now, we're going to put some tomato. I got 2 big tomatoes that I diced, peeled and diced. I peeled them and then diced it because I have nothing else to do. You certainly don't need to be peeling your tomatoes. You can dice it, it'll be perfectly fine. The minute we smell the garlic, we're going to put the wine. Just a little bit of wine. We don't need a lot. Just a little wine. Maybe just a little bit more. About, I don't know, what would you say, about a cup? I'm using a Sauvignon Blanc. You can use a Pinot Grigio. It's actually a Pinot Grigio. A Sauvignon Blanc, Pinot Grigio. A little citrusy wine would be perfect for this. We're going to cook it. We're going to cook the tomato. We're preparing their bath, really. Let the wine reduce just a little bit. We're going to use some fresh parsley, freshly chopped parsley, garlic, parsley. We're going to put a little bit of butter now, and we're certainly going to add more butter at the end. And, you know, remember, friends, it's their last meal. So we got to be nice to them, right? We're going to make it nice. So we let the wine reduce just for a minute or so. Then we're going to put something. Then if you don't have it, you don't have it. You don't have it. If you don't have it, you don't have it. I'm being such a philosopher today. It's harissa. It's a Moroccan hot sauce. Let me tell you, friends, this brand is fantastic. Mina. You can buy it online. You can buy it on Amazon. You can buy it. It's not very expensive. You can buy it for $8 a bottle or something like that. And I'm telling you, it's amazing. I'm going to put Mine is the spicy one. They have mild and spicy. I'm gonna put about almost a tablespoon of harissa. You don't have to do that. If you don't have it, put a little hot chili peppers. You know, the chili flakes. It'll be perfect. You see, look. Now, then their bath are ready. I am excited. I'll put a little more parsley here. All right. Now then their bath are ready. Oh, don't forget salt and pepper, Jean-Pierre. I always forget something. You know, I always forget something. And Jack at the end goes, hey, you forgot this. Oh, so now you tell me. So, look. I got everything. Oh, you know what we're going to do? We're going to put a bit of lemon zest in there also. This is going to give us a little je ne sais quoi, little freshness. You know, citrus friends, always bring an element of freshness. It wakes up the ingredient. It's very important. Try to do it. And remember when we use the microplane grater, right? The tool on top of the lemon, not the lemon on top of the tools. I say it every time, and I keep saying it until everybody gets it. You still see so many ding-dongs online using it the wrong way. You notice that? Mamma mia. All right, here we go, friends. We're done. The broth is perfect. It smells amazing. It smells beautiful. Now it's going to be made better with the juice of the mussels. So, friends, when you buy a mussel, they should all be closed. But every so often, let me just reduce this. I don't want it to be... every so often, there is one or two that I open, like this guy right there. Look, see this guy right there? That guy is open. So now you can do two things. You can ticklish it. See, look, you squeeze it, and it should close. Look, squeeze it, and look. Did you get that, Jack? Were you able to see that? You see? They close right away. That means it's alive. If you have one that is open and it doesn't close, put it aside. Look at this guy. It's open. See this one? Look, it's open a little bit. Look. Ticklish it like this. See, look. Hey, wake up. See, look. This guy is not. See, look. It's not closing. We're going to put it aside. We'll have a talk with you. If they don't close, that means they're dead. If they're dead, you don't want to cook them. Oh, look at this guy. See, look. Oh, look at this guy. Come on. Oh, this guy's not closing either. Okay, we'll put it aside. If they don't open, if they don't close, when we ticklish them, all right, let's put it all in there. They're all good. I went through them. I washed them. Oh, by the way, you know, you wash them a little bit. If you have a little brush, if they're dirty. Those are Maine, farm-raised Maine. They do a beautiful job. It's really interesting to see. Look at this guy. Didn't close. See? No closing. This one, when you ticklish them like this, if they don't close, that means they're dead. If they're dead, sorry, dude. You're already dead. So look, turn the burner on. And now we're going to wait until they open. It's only going to take a couple of minutes. And we're going to mix the broth, put a little bit of garlic olive oil on top, and let me tell you, give it a little more butter. And they're going to be perfect. We're going to wait a second, okay? It's probably going to take about 4 or 5 minutes. I'll be right back when they open. Okay, friends, like I said, it doesn't take much time, friends. Probably 3-4 minutes. If they're fresh, they're all going to open at the same time, okay? And how do you know if they're fresh? Well, first of all, they're all closed. That's number one. Number two, friends, they smell like the sea. They smell beautiful. You see, look how beautiful that broth is, friends. That broth is gorgeous. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put a little bit. Now, I'm going to arrange them really nice for a thumbnail, but I'm not going to have time to do this right now. I just want to show you how I would serve them roughly, and then we'll make a nice decoration. But look at that. Look at this, baby. Look at this sauce, friends. They're amazing. I'm telling you. Look at this. Look. Now I'm going to take some of that beautiful juice. Look at that juice, friends. How beautiful that is. And this is so fragrant. It's gorgeous. Fragrance. It's going to be delicious. So you eat this with a baguette. You eat this with a garlic bread. With whatever makes you happy, friends. You put it right on there just like this. Nothing really special. What you could do is, so at the last minute, friends, is take another lemon, and give it another little final zest. You see, just at the last minute. Just a quick little zest at the last minute. Yeah, you take a little more parsley. right there. And then you take more broth, clean up your plate. Now, of course, take the time to arrange them if you want it to be really pretty and everything. And then what I do is I take a ladle and I put more again of the sauce at the last minute. And this, my friend, is amazing. And look how beautiful they are. Look how nice and plump they are. They're gorgeous, right? And now what I do also, I eat one. Oh yeah. And then I use, if I want to be delicate, you just go with your hand. But let's say you want to be delicate, you have a dinner party and you don't want to look too, you take this and you use it as a tongue. And you make sure you serve it with a spoon so you can enjoy the broth, which I forgot. Because the broth is everything. So if you use that harissa, it's going to be a little spicy. Up to you, friends. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching, friends. Wow. They are delicious. Look how beautiful they are. They're gorgeous. And the harissa gives it a really, really nice little heat. So we're going to make a nice little plate for them so they can see, they can present a nice, but I think it looks beautiful. All right? You ready to eat them? They're delicious.